para mag-review na ako ba? And the Sinag Maynila Best Actor Award goes to Jade Makawili.
Maayong gabi, magandang gabi. Thank you so much for this recognition. Thank you so much sa aming director, si Chris Pergo. Sorry. Kung hindi dahil sa sinulat niya na movie, hindi ako, or kumaga, hindi makikita yung acting ko sa store. Salamat direct sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Sinag, sa mga juries from Cebu. Thank you so much. This man represent to my family, Uncle Noel, Uncle Roquel, Ate Sam, Tita Ate Shana, Ate Kayla, Kuya Kino, Kuya Scott, Tita Hazel, Tita Ruth, thank you so much for coming, my family from Bulacan. And yeah, shout out sa mama ko nasa Cebu ngayon, nanonood sa live sa Facebook. Sa wife ko, si Jasmine, my mama ko, si Grace, si papa ko, Jervin, tsaka Herstatic Barbershop, shout out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.